Look at that! How can they live in the rocks? I don't get it. That's so neat. They're different birds than Washington. Hey! See, it's getting mean. Oh, look at the birds. They don't have anything to give them. Shoot. This is where a whole loaf of bread comes in handy. Look how cute it is! What are you doing? Oh, there's another one hiding. Another one! Baby! Oh, it's cute! Good animals! Shit. Are you okay? Hi! I touched its nose!
I think
I touched its nose!
our hands were like peachy.
Oh, look at all the birds roasted. I don't want the rest. I brought it for him. He grabbed the Coke instead. Here, finish this up.
Leave the puppy for me, boy.
You finish it. That's supposed to be yours.
No, I can't. I just throw it away there.
All that effort. Oh well, you can have one another day. We have 3 left at home. My dad don't want to drink it. Okay. That was good.